What I have here for y'all today is a 20 volt, cordless pressure washer. Check this thing out, everybody. This is from the company LIGO, and I have used products from these guys before. I used a hedge trimmer that was really good, and I'm still using it today, actually. And let's just kind of like go over the box before I show you what's inside. And you see how it came right here. I did take it out, and I kind of took the cardboard out, but let me show you all the stuff that came with this. You get a scrub brush, which is really cool. I like that they have a scrub brush to it. You have the actual unit itself, a little bottle, some instructions, a hose, more fittings, the battery. There's the charger, and this is what the charger looks like right there, and a bag that it all goes in. So we won't need that anymore. Let's just put this aside. And let me go ahead and put this thing together and then show you exactly what it looks like when it's together, because it's pretty simple to put this thing together, y'all. So let's do that now. Everybody, there it is. I got it all put together. All you really do is stick this down in here like this. Check it out. That drops down in there like that, and watch. Turn it, slide the battery on. This has a quick connect right there. Super simple. It's ready to go. You drop this into a 5-gallon bucket of water, or you could screw it onto an outlet. I think there's a fitting where you could actually hook it up. And then you have, you got a scrub brush here that can hook into here like that. So if you want to use a scrub brush, or you can add some extension in there. And then this is for some soap. What I've got is my bicycle over here. I'm going to spray my bike down, and then I'm going to wash it. So let's do that now. Okay, check it out, everybody. I've got a 5-gallon bucket of water here. All you do is put that in there right there like that, and you see how it's kind of floating. You run your hose, and then check this out. Squeeze the trigger. You've got a pressure washer. So there it is. I'm just going to kind of wet it all down first. Now what I'm going to take the Super Clean spray here. Highly recommend this Super Clean stuff. This is the Super Clean aerosol. It's got biodegradable detergents in it. It's very, good for things like this. What I'm going to do is just spray my whole bike down, everything. I love this Super Clean stuff because it's good for bikes, cars, pretty much everything. We did that side. Now let's do this side. So there it is. We pretty much sprayed it all down right there. I'm gonna let that soak in for a minute. So let's add some soap in here. I'm not gonna do a lot. I'll do more than that. This is the Driver's Choice Ultra Wash and Wax. Screw that on. Okay, we have the soap on here. Check this out, everybody. This is gonna add a little more soap to it. It's soaping it all down. You see what it's doing there? This is awesome. So now I added this attachment on here just to kind of give you guys an idea of what this does. This is like something you would use while you're washing your car or something like that. I don't really need it on this, but I love how that thing blows it out like that. And I can wash these tires up nicely with it. And then, like I said, you to tighten it up, you're going to loosen it here and then pull it off. That's what I'm going to be using probably 90% of the time right there. There's that one. That's got a wider spray to it. That's almost like a plant watering right there. That's like a right angle. I would guess that would be like reaching up and getting in a gutter or something. That's more of a point, which seems to work pretty good on this. And back to that. Like I said, yeah, this is not going to be like this is not on par with like a commercial pressure washer where you could strip paint or do a whole driveway with it. But for like little jobs like this, washing your car, washing your bike, doing things like that, this thing works great. I highly recommend this for anybody that just wants to like get a car wash or like a quick bike wash, like when I do like a long bike ride. I was riding on the beach and I got a lot of salt water on my bike, so this is great. I can carry this with me in my car, and then all I need is a 5-gallon bucket, come out, and then I just wash it all off. And look how quickly that got this bike clean. You just take the battery on and off right there, and then you put it on charge, and then you're good to go. I'm gonna be using this a lot, I can tell. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the LIGO cordless pressure washer, 20 volt. See you all in the next video.